Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to remove fences in Photoshop. Let's get started. So here is the image I'll be working with. Let's make a duplicate of our image. Select Edit in Quick Max mode. Now select the brush tool. Adjust the size of the brush. Now brush over the fence. I will drop a link where the image can be downloaded. This should take some time, so I will speed up this part of the video. Now we are done with the selection of the fence. We can now deselect Edit in Quick Max mode. While on the Quick Selection tool, right click and select Inverse. Right click again, click on Fill and apply Content Aware. And here's what we have. Press Command or Ctrl D to remove selection. Let's clean up our image using Spot Healing Brush tool. Here's the before and after. Looking good already. Let's do a bit of retouching using Camera Raw. We will adjust the settings to our needs. And we are done.